You are going to love the 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, tow hitch, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.